Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to update your content preferences on Instagram. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. The modern internet is ruled by algorithms. When you boot up Instagram, for example, what you see in your feed is strategically sorted by the app's AI based on your past activity to keep you engaged as long as possible. If Instagram show you as a bunch of random posts you had no interest in, you'd likely leave immediately, but when each photo or video is something that piques your curiosity, well, that's how a social media addiction is born. That said, sometimes our algorithm goes a little haywire. Perhaps you had a passing interest in a creator or subject, but now it's all over your feed. Maybe an accidental like or share mistakenly taught the algorithm you are a fan of or something you really are not. And now you're subjected to the topic with every other post. And now you want to update, you want to reset your uh, algorithm, your content preferences on Instagram. How to do it is so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just go to your profile. You can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can just scroll down and you can find content preferences. And here, on what you see section, there is an option content preferences. You can just tap on that. And in here, you can see there is an option reset suggested content. You can just tap on that. So you want a fresh start. We suggest post reels and another content based on factor like who you follow and your activity. You can reset to see something new. So when you reset the suggested content, you'll see suggestion about topic that may be different from what you usually see, and your resets can't be undone, but your suggestion will become more personalized again as you like, share, and interact. Now you can just tap on next. Okay, you can tap on next. You can, before setting, review, we follow, and your add topic. Now you can just tap on reset suggested content. Tap on reset suggested content. Can wait. And now you have reset your suggested content on your Instagram. Maybe you can see the difference on your explore and also on your feed. It's so simple, right? So that is how to update your content preferences on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.